Hey guys, hello. So today we're gonna be working on the Barbie doll. As promised, I know it's a little late, but here we go. And please make sure when you are doing this project that you work with an adult or someone who is experienced with hot glue. Before I continue, I want to thank this awesome YouTuber for challenging me to do this. This is parchment paper that I'm using, and I started off with a sketch to kind of get an idea of how I thought the Barbie was made. I had some wiring from some old crafts I had been working on, and so that's what you see me using to try and add some stiffness to my Barbie. The closer you squeeze your glue to the paper, the more control you will have over this project. When working with the neck area, you have to be careful that your shoulder blades and your chin area does not merge together. So you want to go ahead and put on that first layer. But before you add a second layer to the neck, you want to wait after your second or third layer of the head and shoulders, and then add your next layer to the neck. These are her feet. When adding your next layer, you want it to be slightly smaller than your first layer. It helps keep from overspilling, and it kind of gives you that gradual thickness of a body. I'm gonna fix that overspill where you see where her upper body is with some scissors. I want this overspill to happen so the head can be more of a solid piece. And I'm going to attempt to do this same process with the rest of the body. You'll notice that when I peel her up, the pencil comes off as well. Also, if you want to make sure that your Barbie is even on both sides, you can always fold the parchment paper since you can see through it and just trace it on the other side. Okay, something I forgot to explain at the beginning of the video is there are two different hot glue sticks. One is more see-through and the other one is not. The one that is more see-through is less permanent. So what you would like to do during this project is to use the one that is less see-through, because it will stick more to the parchment paper than the clear one will. I often use the clearer one for craft projects that I have, that if I'm gluing it together and I need to take it back apart just in case I mess up. So it is great for those types of things. Don't do what I'm doing here, because I'm used to working with hot glue. Do not hold your arm in your hand while you apply the hot glue. The other trick to hot glue molds is to basically constantly mold and shape it with your hot glue gun. And after I finish putting her arms on, I apply her feet. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy crafting.